with all the technological improvements, building and hosting a website in 2026 may seem simple, but most beginners still need a little guidance in the right direction. Today, let me fix it with my Hostinger tutorial. I'm going to show you how to go from zero to a live website without any tech headaches or wasted money. Let's get straight into this Hostinger tutorial 2026 and solve the biggest question beginners have: how to host and build a website the easy way. First, I'm actually going to answer a different question: how to build that site without spending hundreds. That's easy, actually. Just use my discount link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen, and you're going to see those prices go down. I mean, seriously, it's quite a significant discount if you opt for a 4-year period. So never pay full price when the discount is just a click away. All right, once you land on the pricing page, following the link, you're going to see several hosting plans. If you're brand new and building a simple blog or personal site, the premium plan is usually sufficient, but to be fair, it is somewhat limited. It's perhaps not limited per se, but the business plan really just offers so many benefits and AI features that the price difference is pretty negligible. So that is my recommendation. Go with the business plan for 48 months and just double check if the discount is still applied, just in case. Okay, how to host a website with Hostinger. After choosing your plan, you either register a new domain or connect the one you already own. So Hostinger links the domain to your hosting for you, so you don't have to mess with complicated settings. I'm not going to go into details about buying domain names. You can find more info by following this link in the top corner. Now, however, I can offer you a few pointers. Ensure the name is short and memorable. If your domain name is already taken, just consider trying combinations with adjectives or choosing a different extension, as there are hundreds of them available. Lastly, just make sure that the price in the small font, which is below the regular one, fits your budget. This is what you'll have to pay after the discounted period is over. Then simply pay for your hosting and create an account, and you probably don't need help with that. Okay, so once that's done, we can move to the hPanel, Hostinger Hosting Control Panel. It's clean, it's beginner friendly, and it's pretty well designed, and you don't feel overwhelmed or that you're missing something important. This is where your hosting, domains, emails, and website tools all live. If you've ever used cPanel and hated it, as I did, this will feel refreshing. However, we're gonna build your site with the help of AI, so we don't really need to be hanging around here much since all the tools are built into the platform itself. So, building the actual website. Hostinger actually gives you two main options, which is great because not everyone needs the same thing. So we can go with the classical WordPress, and while I love it to pieces, it's not the best option for your first website. There's just a little bit too many things to master compared to regular web builders. So the fastest and easiest option is the AI website builder, and this is where this Hostinger tutorial really starts. So you begin the onboarding process by giving information about your project, including its purpose and preferred style. You can also use the AI to get the ball rolling, and the AI generates a full website for you in minutes. You can even regenerate it if you don't like the first version. Now, a note about these AI templates. Since Hostinger continually improves its AI, the capabilities you see in this video and the builder's capabilities may actually significantly differ from what you're currently using. But that's a good thing because it's more advanced. So after that, customization is simple with drag and drop controls and minimal unnecessary tools. You click elements, you move sections, change text, swap images, and adjust layouts without touching any code. And the best thing about this is that you can just Control-Z your way back, and if you really went hog wild experimenting, you can even restore older backups of your design. Global styles let you change fonts and colors across the entire site instantly. Additionally, I love that it shows all the colors used in your design and how often they're used, making it way easier to manage your style. So the same can be said with fonts. They are always paired, so your design is not going to look like a 5-year-old's first attempt, as I know most of my sites did way back when. Now, additionally, all Hostinger websites are automatically mobile responsive, ensuring that they display well on phones and tablets without requiring any extra work. So that said, if you have added more elements or rearranged them, go here, select this button, and switch to mobile view. Now you can actually rearrange stuff, delete it, or better yet, use settings to hide certain elements on mobile. You can actually craft 2 different designs if you want to, which is quite a decent level of customization. And hey, if this video is helping you learn how to use Hostinger Website Builder, consider giving back by clicking that like button and maybe subscribing to the channel. And in return, you can find Hostinger discount links in the description. All right, so those are the basic parts of this Hostinger Website Builder tutorial for editing. You add elements, sections, change styles, and mobile views, but it's time to use the AI. So the AI SEO assistant provides suggestions to enhance visibility without requiring expert knowledge. You really don't need to do anything complex here. You just create a description and select from a few keywords, and then just do that for all the pages on your website. There's also AI writing assistants that can rework the existing copy or create new text for you. It's really fast, and in some places, I liked it more than ChatGPT. However, it's still AI, so I do suggest editing the text to give it a bit more character or your brand identity. Luckily, text editing tools are basically the same as with any other text editing program like Word, so you should not have any real problem with that. All right, next up, we have an AI image generator. That's a tool that is pretty self-explanatory. Just note that using it comes with fees, but you can also receive a few extra free credits with your subscription, so feel free to try it out. Now, AI pages, sections, and blog generators are relatively easy tools to master. Describe what you want, and they build a fully functional blog post or page. What's way more important if you're planning to build a website is products generators. I mean, coming up with a good description that actually sells is not easy, but with the help of AI, you can have a medium-sized store in really a few days. Now, I'm not gonna have time for this video, but if you'd like me to create a video focusing on Hostinger's e-commerce features and how to launch a store here, please let me know in the comments. All right, what's best about Hostinger's Website Builder is that unlike 99% of all other builders, it doesn't restrict you to their platform. Yeah, if you find the builder limiting for any reason, you can simply export your site to WordPress and continue growing there. So you've got a Hostinger subscription with a discount, and you've used AI to craft a new web design. With the help of drag and drop controls, you've modified the content utilizing AI tools to enhance your text or images. You've even checked how the mobile version works and optimized your website's SEO. All that's left in this Hostinger Web Builder tutorial is to click publish and select your domain, which you got at the beginning of the video. So I hope that you are no longer wondering how to use the Hostinger Website Builder. This is one of my favorite providers to use for any small to medium projects. And now that you know how to use it yourself, there's just one last thing left to do: conquer the world. Or just expand your brand, whatever works for you. So yeah, click that like button, subscribe, shoot a comment my way, all the good stuff. Check the Hostinger discount links in the description, and that's enough talking for today. I'll see you in the next one.